Okay, everybody. How's it going? This is Brian. I'm trying to solve a couple of problems with my computer right now. Right now, I'm running a Windows 8 setup with a 4.2 gigahertz quad-core AMD FX chip. One of the issues that I'm having, and I had last time also, was adding a networked printer to my system. So normally you would just go up here, click on Add Printer, and it would do a search to find a printer. So we'll go ahead and let it do its thing and see what we come up with. Hey, look, there was nothing found. So printer that I want wasn't listed, so normally you would just go over here. You could either select a shared printer by name using TCP/IP, or Bluetooth wireless or local printer. Now, the printer that we have is a wireless printer, so that would be an option. However, I don't have I'm not using wireless internet, I'm actually using wired. So then, technically, I should be able to go to a network discoverable printer. Well, let's see what we find. Now, I've already checked. The printer is shared. It is on our home group. My mother-in-law can use it. My wife can use it. And I used to be able to use it on Windows 7. So what I'm trying to find out is, why is Windows 8 being so stubborn about finding a networked printer? Has all my other devices listed, my headset, speakers, my external hard drive. So I mean, it's got everything listed that I use. Okay, so there we go. Choose a device, nothing found. So let's go through their little help process. Okay, so make sure sharing is turned on. Sharing is turned on. Let's click this to find out, though. I've already joined the home group. I can go into my network, which is going to be down here. Panel, network and internet, home group. Oh, look, there it is. Now, what's so hard with doing the add a printer thing that you can't just go into, that particular thing where most people are used to doing it and not having to go through a control panel and stuff of that nature? But as you can see right here, it says change home group settings. Found a new shared printer on your homework. So let's go ahead and install printer, see what happens. Do I trust this printer? Yes, I do. I bought it. I installed it, and I trust it. Install driver, yes. So here's my issue with this. This seems to be an issue with Windows 8 not functioning properly in a sense. It should be able to just you should be able to just do add printer without having to go through a couple extra steps. Obviously, it knew that the system had seen the printer through the home group. At that point in time, why did it not just list it on my devices page? Now, so the first thing we do is we go over here. After we've got it all set up, we cancel these out. Hey, look, there's my printer. Now, one thing that I even on my wife's computer, it did this, and on my mother-in-law's, it automatically sets the fax as a default. Why, I don't know. So we have to go over here and check the actual printer and make that the default. Hope this might have helped you. If it didn't, then apparently you didn't run into the same problem I did. But if it did help, go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, whatever you want to do. My name is Brian. Glad I could help.